Today we're featuring a 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport, 52,000 miles on it. It's canyon copper in color. It's got a clean Carfax 2-owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the nice chrome door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in really good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looking good here. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the two-tone door panels, the light tan with the dark brown, kind of the mocha brown. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have the same light tan cloth seats with the dark brown trim. Driver seat's in good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. All right, it is an automatic. All right, it's got your 2 power outlets, an auxiliary and USB port there. Climate control center here. AM, FM, CD player. All right, it's got a nice little convenient storage area up top here as well. And it does have Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. All right, and you got your hill descent control there and your active eco button. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 52,728 miles on it. Now that we got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your AM FM display screen here. All right, and your climate control area. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Cloth back here in the back seat looks good. All right. Does have the nice convenient center console. Got your cup holders there. Cloth's in good shape. Carpet back here is in good shape. It does have the power outlet down here too. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back here. Alright, carpet back here looks good. Got your jack right there, some storage space, some more storage space under there. Power outlet here. Okay, but everything looks really good back here. Plenty of storage room. Okay, and the second row seats, they do fold down. That'll open it up even more back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. See, 17-inch alloys, kind of that smoky gray alloy. Brand new set of tires. Plenty of tread left on a brand new set. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Santa Fe Sport. It's a Hyundai. It's got 52,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 owners. It's in really good shape. It's priced right, ready to sell. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.